Hello, my name's Thomas Hogle. I'm with Canyon State Law. Today I wanted to talk about, is it smart for you to leave Arizona and never plan on coming back if you're charged with a criminal offense? I've been asked this question many times, and it is an interesting conversation to have because the person asking it typically wants to know, can I just leave the state and not have any consequences as long as I don't come back to Arizona? The answer could be yes, it could be that way. However, it's very likely not going to be that simple. Usually if you don't show up or take care of a case, Arizona courts will move to have a warrant placed on you. And that might not affect you in a different state or a different country or anything like that, depending on the severity or the seriousness of the case. If the case is very serious or deemed extraditable, which means that they can actually arrest you in a different state and hold you until Arizona comes and gets you, that is a bad decision to make, is to leave the state of Arizona without taking care of the issues here. However, with smaller cases like misdemeanors or city court cases, very unlikely that they will extradite you or even hold you in a different state if you are pulled over. Keep in mind though that even with a warrant on your case on a misdemeanor case, you could have license issues. Driver's license could get suspended. You could have some issues that would transcend and go into the next state with you. I have had plenty of people that have been living for 20 plus years in a different state and had no idea or had no care in the world that there was a warrant in Arizona. And then I've also had the opposite be true, where they had a small misdemeanor criminal speeding ticket and a warrant was placed out on them, and just a few months later the license was canceled or revoked in their state. So it could be anything in between those types of extremes and scenarios. My suggestion would be definitely talk to an attorney before you make the decision that you're just going to leave the state of Arizona, and try to forget that there was any sort of criminal citation against you. Make sure you talk to somebody that's experienced in those things and can give you a little bit more expertise and idea of what it is that you're actually doing when you make that type of decision. My suggestion would be never to do that. However, at the same time, I have seen people do that and make that call in their lives. And again, happy to have an open-minded conversation with you. And our attorneys here at Canyon State Law would be as well. If you have any questions, concerns, feel free to give us a call here at Canyon State Law. And we're happy to talk to you and help you with any questions or issues you may have. Our number is 480-630-7672.